Hi, this is Aliyah. In this episode of the Moroccan Cookie series, we're going to make almond fingers using the almond paste that we prepared in the previous video. These mini cookies are crunchy from outside and soft from inside. So let's start!
You will need almond paste, apricot jam, candied orange peels, egg yolk, and chopped blanched almonds. First, finely chop the candied orange peels. In a large bowl, mix together the almond paste, the chopped candied orange peels, and apricot jam until well incorporated. Coat your hands with vegetable oil and roll some of the almond paste into a log about the thickness of your thumb. Spread a bit of the egg yolk in your palm and roll the almond log again so it gets covered with the yolk. Sprinkle the chopped almonds on your working station and roll the almond log on top of the almond bits so that they stick all around the almond log. Slice the almond log into bite-sized chunks. Place the chunks in a buttered baking pan. Bake in a preheated oven to 360 Fahrenheit degrees, 180 Celsius degrees for around 15 minutes or until the cookies get a beautiful golden color. Once done, drizzle some melted dark chocolate on top of the cookies. Let the cookies cool down completely before serving. Bon appétit!